Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.50. You tap your card, feeling that familiar pang, another dent in your budget. But wait. What if that 50 cents could magically grow your savings instead of disappearing into thin air? That's the beauty of Raiz Roundup feature. It takes those pesky little cents left over after every purchase and turns them into investment fuel. But how much exactly does Raiz round up? Let's dive in and explore the options. Understanding Round UPS, your money, micro investments. Raiz Roundup feature is all about making the most of your everyday spending. Here's the basic idea. Whenever you use your linked debit or credit card for a purchase, Raiz takes a look at the transaction amount. They then round it up to the nearest whole dollar. Let's say you buy groceries for $22.75. Raiz would round that up to $23. That extra 25 cents gets whisked away and deposited into your Raiz investment account. These tiny roundups might seem insignificant at first, but over time, they can add up surprisingly fast. Customizing your Round UPS, how much control do you have? The good news is, Raiz doesn't force a one-size-fits-all approach. You have the power to personalize your roundup experience. Here are the key customization options. Threshold power. This lets you set a minimum purchase amount that triggers a roundup. Imagine you only want roundups for transactions above $10. No problem. Set your threshold to $10, and any purchase below that amount won't trigger a roundup. Whole dollar Round UPS. This is the classic roundup method. Any purchase amount that isn't already a whole dollar gets rounded up to the nearest dollar. Custom roundup amounts. Feeling ambitious? You can choose a specific roundup amount beyond just the leftover cents. Let's say you want to round every purchase up to the nearest $5. Raiz can handle that. The power of small change. Watch your savings grow. So, how much can these little roundups really contribute? It depends on your spending habits. Someone who spends a lot with their linked cards could see a significant boost in their Raiz account over time. Even if you don't spend a ton, the beauty of roundups is that they're completely automated. You set it and forget it, while your spare change quietly grows in the background. Think about it. How often do you use those leftover cents for anything meaningful? With Raiz, they transform into investment opportunities, potentially growing your wealth over the long term. Beyond Round UPS, exploring other Raiz features. While roundups are a fantastic way to make your money work for you passively, Raiz offers even more tools to boost your savings. Here are a few to consider. Micro-investing. Set up automatic, recurring deposits into your Raiz account. This is a great way to consistently add to your investments, regardless of your roundup activity. Goal setting. Define specific savings goals within Raiz. This helps visualize your progress and stay motivated on your financial journey. Investment options. Choose from a variety of investment portfolios that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Raiz Round UPS, a smart way to save without even trying. Raiz Roundup feature is a clever and convenient way to make the most of your everyday spending. By harnessing the power of small change, you can unlock a world of potential growth for your investments. Remember, it all adds up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.